In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another language to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. This process will help you make your site more accessible to a wider audience by offering it in multiple languages, and it's easier than you might think. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen. Here, select the option to continue with Google. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll see your account listed and you can simply click on it to proceed. Otherwise, enter your login details as prompted. Once logged in, locate your website on the dashboard and click on it to access the specific site settings. Now let's delve into the settings of your website. On the homepage of your site dashboard, look for the settings option. You'll typically find this in the side menu, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the settings available for customization on your site. From this list, locate and click on the option labeled Site Languages. This is where you'll manage the multilingual aspect of your site. To proceed with adding another language, we're going to use a tool called Weglot, which is integrated within Squarespace. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the process of translating your site. In the Site Languages section, look for the option to navigate to Weglot and click on it. Here, you'll see a Connect button. Click this to initiate the journey of adding a new language to your site. Next, you'll be prompted to log in using your Weglot account. If you already have an account, simply enter your details. If not, take a moment to sign up and create a new account. Once authenticated, Weglot will allow you to choose from a wide array of languages to add to your site. Select the language you wish to include from the drop-down menu provided. After selecting your desired language, ensure you don't forget to click on Save. This will confirm your selection and apply the new language settings to your site. Within moments, your site will be equipped to support visitors in the additional language you've chosen. Congratulations, you've successfully added another language to your Squarespace website, making it accessible to a broader audience. Offering multilingual support is a great step toward building a more inclusive online presence. Should you need to make further adjustments or add more languages, you can always revisit Weglot in your site settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy translating!